Nithin, and today in this PSLE 2019 Paper 2 question series, I'll be going through question 8. In my channel, I'm to help all of you master all those concepts out there, okay? So let's jump straight into question 8. So this over here is question 8, and this question is testing us on fractions and ratio. Let's read question 8 for part A first. A box contained black beads and white beads. At first, the number of black beads was 1/3 the number of white beads. After 1/4 of the black beads and 3/8 of the white beads were used, 63 beads were left. Part A. What fraction of the beads were used? Leave your answer in the simplest form. Okay, let's highlight the key information now. So, contain black beads and white beads. At first, in the first, number of black beads was 1/3 the number of white beads. Okay, after 1/4 of the black beads and 3/8 of the white beads were used, 63 beads were left. Okay, they're asking now what fraction of the beads were used, and they're asking us to leave our answer in the simplest form. Okay, so now they've highlighted the key information. Let's move on to writing down the ratio. So black is to white is 1 part is to 3 part, right? One unit over here, 1 part over here, and 3 part over here. After that, I'm going to find the common multiple of 3 and 8, which is 24. Okay, so in order to find the multiple over here, so we know that over here for white, 3 parts is already 24. But for the black, we do not know what's the number. So I'm going to take 24 divided by 3 will give us 8 units. Okay, so the black is now 8 units as well. Okay, so we know that 1 part is equal to 8 units. So 8 units is to 24 units. Okay, so after that we are going to find the number of beads used for black and white. Okay, so the number of beads used for black is 1/4 times 8 units. Okay, sorry, I'm going to find for white first. So 3/8 times 24 units, so it will give us 9 units. After that, we take 1/4 times 8 units, it will give us 2 units. So over here, it will be minus 2 units because it's used, and minus 9 units because it is used as well. Okay, so this is what happens. After that, we can find our left, which is 6 units is to 15 units. So let me just write here. It is left. And this is at first. Okay. So now that we are done with that, we can move on to solving part A. So part A, they're asking us what fraction of the beads were used. So the used is actually 2 units and 9 units, right? So let me write that down. This is used. So basically, I need to take this value, which is 11 units in total, over the total value, which is 8 units plus 24 units. Okay? And the total beads is 32 units. So basically, 11 over 32 is the answer for part A. Now let's move on to part B. They're asking us how many beads were in the box at first. So they're asking us at first how many beads. Okay? So first we know the value of left, right, which is 63. And we know the units of left, right? So 6 units plus 15 units is equal to 63. So actually 6 units plus 15 units is 21 units, and 21 units is equal to 63. Now we can move on to finding 1 unit. So 1 unit is equal to 63 divided by 21, which will give us 3. And they are asking us the number of units in the box at first, which is basically 32 units, right? So 32 units is equal to 32 times 3, which is 96. So 96 is the answer for part B. Okay, so I hope you understand my explanation for this question 8, and for part A and part B. Thank you, and bye bye. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.